Welcome to this video tutorial from Entrepreneur Web, Internet solutions for today's entrepreneurs. In this video, you are going to learn about the different sections of your Facebook profile and how to optimize them. This is optional, but it's a nice way to share something about yourself with your friends, family, and the rest of Facebook users. Facebook will connect me with other people based on the information I provide when I optimize my profile. For instance, Facebook will try to connect me with people who went to the same school as I did and were born in the same year. Facebook will also connect me with my family members, my relatives that I will identify on this page. This is how a complete Facebook profile looks. The amount of detail you feel comfortable sharing is up to you. You can view and edit your profile by clicking on your name on your upper right. Your profile page contains 4 menu tabs, namely Timeline, About, Photos, Friends, and more. Click on the About tab. Here you can edit and modify all the details that you can possibly have on your profile. Remember that none of this is mandatory. I will start by adding something about myself in the About You tab by clicking on Write About Yourself link. Then type something about yourself in the box. Click on Save Changes once you are done. Hover your mouse to Relationships section and click on Edit button. This works differently. Choose your relationship status from the list and enter the names of your family members and how you are related to them. You can manage the privacy of individual items by either checking on Public, Friends, Custom, or Only Me to decide who can see what in your profile. When you share something with Public, that means anyone including people off Facebook can see it, and Friends means only your friends can see, and Only Me limits your privacy to only yourself. We will cover more on these privacy settings on another video. You can always choose different options for different items, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Click on the Save button once you are done. You can also edit and modify your work and education by clicking on the Edit icon on the item. Enter the name of your current workplace on the box. You will notice that Facebook will give you a list to choose from. You can edit or remove the name of either your workplace, college, high school, or your professional skills from the list by hovering your mouse to the item name and clicking either Edit or Remove. Once you are done making changes, click on Done Editing. Also on this page, you can edit and modify your basic information like your gender, birthday, and relationship status. Here you can change the date of your birth and privacy status. Just move your cursor to the title you want to edit and click on the Edit button. You can add other info like interests, languages, religious, and political views under this same item. Privacy is always important when it comes to your contact information on Facebook. Unless you are involved in networking or business marketing, it's advisable not to list anything sensitive here, like your address or phone number. Alternatively, you can protect these items by limiting their privacy to friends and hiding them from the timeline. Note that you can add a website link under this section as well. You can add more details about yourself by scrolling down the page. We are going to start with movies. Remember that the likes you add to your profile are very important, and Facebook will use it to market and make suggestions for you based on the things you enjoy. Facebook will give you a list of movie suggestions. Just move your cursor to the movie that you have watched and select Yes. You can even click on the item to learn more. If you don't see the movie from the list, just click on Watched button and use the search bar to find the movie. You can also add the movies you want to watch and the ones you like by clicking on the respective buttons on top. Follow the same process on TV shows, music, books, and sports. Your new changes will be saved automatically. Your changes will appear the same way to your friends on your timeline. To view the changes that you have made, click on the Timeline menu tab on top of your profile and scroll down. Here are some other ways these items show up on Facebook. It can also appear on your newsfeed where your friends can comment on them. Also on your newsfeed, you may start receiving posts or promotions based on your likes and interests. If you find the feeds annoying, you can hide them by moving your cursor to the post and clicking on the arrow on the upper right corner of the post. Once you know the secret to sharing what you feel comfortable with, setting up your profile is easy. If you would like to view how your profile looks like to other people, click on the gear icon on your timeline and select View As. This is how your timeline looks to the public. Remember, things you hide from your timeline still appear in Newsfeed, Search, and other places on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.